guys, so today we have a coffin.
Yeah!
Filled with Hotel Transylvania 3 Summer Vacation and Hotel Transylvania the series toys.
Yay! Yes.
Thank you so much to Jazwares for providing these products to us.
Thank you.
So are you guys excited to see what's inside this coffin?
Sure.
Oh! I'm gonna cough off.
So what do we have first, Michael?
This one.
That is the Beau Voyage set. Look at that, 8 pieces.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
Oh my god! Okay, I got this one.
That is the Ghostly Goodnight play set. Oh, that looks like her bedroom. How cool is that?
She has a coffin.
That's cool.
We have a plushie.
A
I have a
plushie.
Mavis plushie. That is the Bats Out action figure. Look at her.
Okay, gotta love her shoes though.
I know, right?
Oh.
And that one is Spooky Scuba. Look at her. She is super cool.
Yeah. Oh, the table it goes.
And that one is Mavis Mystery. Cool set.
It make a weird sound.
We have, Spectacular Bride Mavis. That's a limited edition also. Very nice.
That's a big dress. Her skin looks pink. Pink. Alright, here's another one.
Then we have Mavis Bats Out. That's also a limited edition doll.
That's out.
Ooh, another
big ones.
awesome play set. That is Scream Cheese Cafe.
Oh.
That's super cute. Oh my gosh.
You want some scream cheese?
Yeah.
Alright. Tiny thing, but last.
Monster Cruise. Very cute figure there. Awesome. So you want to get everything out of the box and take a closer look?
Yes.
We got everything out of the box.
And it looks awesome, guys. So we have, first of all, we'll go over the two big play sets.
This one
We
first.
have Ghostly Goodnight in front of Lindsey, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we have Scream Cheese Cafe in front of Michael.
Oh my god!
In the middle, we have, welcome aboard. We have the Beau Voyage play set with all the awesome figures.
Ooh la 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 la.
And then we have the other figures displayed. So, Lindsey, you have Bats Out, the little action figure set.
Comes with cute little glasses I put on. And a little bat.
Cool. So, Michael, you have the Spooky Scuba
Yes.
action figure right there. She's all ready to go, right?
Wait a minute. Is that a bass?
I don't know.
It's a fish.
There's
We know that. So, Lindsey, that one is Monster Cruise.
Comes with a cute little hat. And her, of course. And this. A totally normal ball.
Wow, look at that.
That's gonna lick you.
Michael, you have Mavis Mystery.
What'd you drop? Oh, you dropped the hat. Okay.
Oh well.
I can't get it.
Win some, you lose some. And we also have the cake. No, it didn't have a hat.
Cool.
Look what I found on the floor. It wasn't actually on the floor. I just caught it.
Did they go overboard?
Possibly.
Man, that's a huge ship. It's bigger than the Titanic. Like the...
I know. So guys, let's show everybody the Beau Voyage characters.
We have him.
Very cool. They're in their vacation attire.
This one.
We have child.
Child.
Cute.
fell on a
Why
rock.
is our skin pink? I don't know. I got a backpack.
Let me take a selfie.
Oh my gosh.
Cool.
The camera looking at a camera.
You can unlock a special collectible in each set, you guys. That coffin bed is so cool. Oh my goodness.
I didn't open it yet. I'm gonna open it.
What's inside?
Wait, there's a keyhole there.
Oh, there's a keyhole. Where did I put the key? Yes, there's a key. let's see this keyhole. I just realized the keyhole now. It's like, wow.
Turn it around.
What?
No. Put it. Yes.
Okay. I have to hold this right.
There we go. It's open. You can look. Oh now.
There you go.
There's a bad side.
There's a bat.
Ooh.
There's a bat.
Let's see.
What'd you do?
Well, this is easier.
It's easier to get to the mystery collectible that way.
So, it all looks normal, but there's a keyhole.
Ooh.
I have a bat.
Very cool.
Pretty sure it's her.
Mine's a little harder to find, but.
I already saw it.
So you put your key in. And you have a piece of cake.
Ooh.
There she goes. She's in there.
It's like a bolt. Here's the cake. Creature.
Creature.
Cake. Creature.
I have a plant creature.
Hey, man.
And then I have...
Also, this happens. You gotta be careful with the storage unit. Hey, what's in here? Ah!
Oh no.
The kid's stuck inside. Oh my. Child.
Lindsay, you have the Mavis Bats Out doll, which is limited edition. Most of these toys are limited edition, by the way. Which is
Ooh.
super, super cool. Look at that. And then Michael has the Spooktacular Bride Mavis. Uh-oh.
Oh. She had an accident.
So there it is.
Look at all the detail. Oh, I
It's
love
the
her
holy
veil.
gravy.
What?
The holy gravy.
That's the holy gravy. Here's her without the wings. Very cute.
Cool.
Well.
So many cool things, guys. So what do you think of all these toys?
I think they're really cool.
Yeah?
I really like this one. You could put somebody inside this one. Hide them. For years.
Thank you again to Jazwares for sending us all these awesome products.
Thank
Thank you.
Until next time, guys. Bye.
Oh, I'm stuck in here.
Not again. Oh my gosh.
Jimmy. Jimmy.
Bye.
Bye.